let's get started. First move, give me a little boxer shuffle side to side. We've got 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. All right, circle the arms. Ready, start. So this could be your warm-up. If you're taking a little bit easier, warming up, I recommend doing something to warm up that's a little bit easier. Now, commit to yourself right now that you're going to push yourself. You're going to challenge yourself. All right? Big circles. Good. Get those shoulders warmed up. Big movement. All of this can be done low impact. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Okay, next move, squat, front kick, squat, front kick. Are you ready? You can do this. 3, 2, 1. Kick. You can kick low. Get those hips back, keep your chest lifted. Keep those abs tight, especially when you squat back. So all you have to do to modify this is make your kicks a little lower, squat a little shallower. We're going to go deep. Almost there. Time. Okay, next move. Decoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. You doing okay? We're just getting started. And go. Switch. Now try not to punch like this. Reach those punches, okay? Reach those punches. You can always step out and in instead of that hop. 10 seconds. Oh, I did an extra punch. Extra credit. Time. Okay. Squat, slip. Hook, hook, up, up. Squat, hook, hook, up, up. Use those hips. Ready? Under, hook, hook, up, up. Go under, up, up. Notice my heels are not glued to the floor. Put power in those punches. Work that core. If you get those hips into it, a lot of core work. Almost there. Come on. Hit like you mean it. Time. So this one's a little coordination. Knee, cross, kick. All right, then we'll do the other side. And go. Knee, cross, kick. Knee, cross, kick. I added an extra knee in there. Kick. Reach, pull. Okay, I was gonna start explaining. Knee up, cross, step, kick. Turn the foot away from that kick. That kick is over your shoulder with the toe down. Knee, cross, kick. And time. We gotta go the other way. This knee, cross, kick. So lean away from that kick. You got it? I know you're good. You're good. And time. Kick. Come on. Big movement. Reach, pull, cross. Now, if you're modifying this movement is smaller, otherwise get up there. Make it big. Make it big. Whoop. Extra credit again. Punch. Kick. One more. Time. Did you get it? That was probably one of the more complex ones. Okay. Lunge back to a front kick, and then you switch legs. So it's step, kick, step, kick. Go. Modified, smaller. Okay. You can go deeper, bigger kick, lunge, kick. Get that knee back there, okay? This knee doesn't travel forward. This knee should never cover your toe. Go back. Keep more weight on the front leg than with that back leg going back, okay? Oh, I like sound effects. All right, time. Nice job. Okay, lateral shuffle or 2 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, or shuffle. Use the space you got. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotation. Tap back, tap back. Easy. Use those arms. Remember, they burn calories too. I know that's why you're here. Doesn't matter which leg goes back first. You can go faster if you want. Time. Okay. Jab, cross, hook, hook, switch. Jab, cross, hook, hook, switch. Go. Now, obviously, you can just turn around, right? Stagger that stance. Back heels up. Land softly, don't just thud. Catch yourself. Put those hips into it. Time. Now this one you could totally take this as a break. Up to you. Halfway point, a little past the halfway point. Opposite. All right, here we go. So you don't have to turn your head if that makes you lightheaded. Just keep looking straight ahead. But really turn those shoulders. You're doing great. Are you working hard? Are you making it as big as you can? Are you open mouth breathing? If you're doing this with your mouth closed, you need to step it up. Yeah, that's what I said. All depends on your fitness level. Time. Nice. Okay, we're back to the 2 hooks. So it's hook, hook, knee, switch. Hook, hook, knee, switch. You ready? Go. Hook, hook, reach. Hook, hook, reach. Oh, different punch. Just keep it on your toes. Hook, hook, knee. I think it's important to know you don't have to be perfect, right? It's just working out. Almost there. Rest. This one's simple, easy to modify, easy to make big. Up, up. Little bob and weave kind of move. Okay, go. Or you can go up. Or you could keep it just like this. More of a real bob and weave. Now we're amping things up. You might not see a boxer do some of these moves. It's okay. You could reach. Drive through the legs. Even if you're not jumping, 10 seconds. And time. Woo. Almost done, almost done. So we got an up, up, jab, kick back. Up, up, jab, kick back. Front, back, front, kick. Please extend those punches. Flex that foot. If you're kicking high, make sure you offset. Really tip forward. How are you feeling? Remember, you can always add more speed as long as you've got good form. Time. Nice job, nice job. We got 2 more moves. We got 3 jacks. Speed bag. Okay, go. 2, 3. Again, you probably won't see a boxer doing this. Maybe jacks, maybe speed bag, but never together. Come on, are you challenging? You only got 2 more. You only have 2 more. Don't play it safe. Don't underestimate what you're capable of. You can totally do this. It's supposed to feel hard. Modified. I just assumed. Okay, time. I probably could have showed you that earlier, right? Jump rope. Now this is the last one. Side to side, front, back. You could go step, touch, front, back. Last one, come on. Front. Front. Keep a bend in those knees. Use those arms. Come on. This is a short workout. Give it your all. Can you make it a little bigger? Nice, nice. Yes, you got it. You're awesome. 15 seconds. Can you go faster? Come on. Don't give up. And time. Nice job. High five, high five. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take it side to side. Let the arms hang, loosey-goosey. Let your heart rate come down. Little twist. You can do whatever feels good to you right now. Just let your heart rate come down. Little Tai Chi. No, I've never done Tai Chi. I shouldn't even demonstrate. Hands on your thighs. And then round, release your back. Flat back, round your back. You did a great job. I hope you pushed yourself all the way up. Hip hinge, flat back. That's what it's all about. That is what HIIT is all about. Bring it all the way up. If you like this workout, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. And check out my other videos here of HIIT. I'll see you next time.